If you ask any of our sisters what is the bond they cherish the most, they would tell us the bond they cherish the most is their relationship with their juniors and seniors at Anandapur. In today's episode, we would try to capture the beautiful bond of our sisters in the modern Gurukula, our very own Anandapur campus. Some sweet initial gestures of love weave a bond. Where else would you find when you walk into a hostel, your senior carries the luggage for you, makes you feel very comfortable, makes you realize that how important you are to them. There's another companion walking into their room, and alongside, pampering you and smothering you with a lot of love and affection, creating that beautiful bond at the very first instance.
When I first joined the campus, I had this fear of not being able to stay apart from my parents. But then, I did not utter a single word as I could silence my mother who came to drop me then. As I received my room number, a sister checked my room number, took my luggage and led me to my room. There, the senior welcomed me and reassured that the journey from then on would be a really special one. My initial days at the campus was nothing similar to what I feared of being homesick. The room was more like a family where the seniors looked after the freshers like little babies who were trying to take their tiny steps towards the Lord. The bond that we shared was one of its kind, where I never felt that I was a stranger. I always felt that I knew all of them much before and none of them were new to me.
In our campus, the faster you learn, it's the better. Because it makes things easy for you and for the seniors. And the seniors take all efforts to pass on their wisdom, their experience and their learnings to you so that your stay on the campus becomes so very smooth and easier for you. Let's listen to one of those beautiful experiences by a junior when she recollects how easy it was to accommodate herself in the Gurukula.
It was a typical Anandapur lunchtime. Sitting in the dining hall with two seniors, I was at a fix because the curry on our plate was brinjal. Something I remember never went down my throat. Because I could not think of eating it, one of the seniors suggested that I hide it with my cup and throw it secretly when I went outside. I was convinced because it was coming from a senior. But the other senior took my plate, mashed the brinjal curry and mixed it with the rice so well that it seemed it was not there at all. And rest is history. So this is what seniors in Anandapur stand for. They show you the way as to how to deal with issues in life, big or small. I also take this incident as a lesson for life, teaching us how to tackle with problems. Rather than avoiding it, we should face it, tackle it and overcome it. Like Swami has said, life is a game, play it.
A senior is like an elder sister. An elder sister who teaches you how to cope with the environment, teaches you how to dress properly, and supports you in your academic endeavors as well. She helps you to ensure that your academics, your emotions, and your presence in the hostel is well balanced. Let us quickly listen to another interesting episode on this beautiful sister bond.
Out of the countless memories, there is one in my first year that I would like to share here. I was a very careless girl who would never make her bed and fold her blanket after getting up in the morning. I I always thought that what's the use of holding the blanket in the morning when I again have to unfold it in the night. And it so happened that one day when I came back to my room after dinner, I noticed that my blanket wasn't there. And when I asked my seniors about it, they told me that they threw my blanket into the duct, the garbage bin, against which they had actually warned me many a times, but I never paid any attention to it as usual. At first, I obviously did not believe them. I mean, come on, they would not do that. But I had to when I did not get it back in the night and they had actually shared their blanket with me that night. I got so angry with my seniors that I did not even look at their faces. I looked for my blanket here, there, everywhere possible. I looked even into the duct, but it was so deep that I could see only darkness. I don't even remember when I slept that night, all grumbling and wishing for my blanket to come back to me for one last time. It was only the next morning when I got it back, only with the promise that I would always fold it as soon as I get up in the morning. And till date, I make it a point that as soon as I get up, I make my bed and I fold my blanket.
Every day at Gurukula is a moment of learning, a moment of a celebration, a day where you celebrate love, gratitude, laughter, mirth and joy for being amongst your soul sisters, connecting with them, the beautiful bond of seniors and juniors. They take in efforts to celebrate every special moment in the campus. More so ever are the celebrations of the farewell and the Freshers' Day, which bring out the unique bond, a moment they cherish for a lifetime and always look forward to remembering those fond days and coming back together again for any special reunions.